Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. I'm back. Oh my gosh, I missed you guys so much. I had a great time in Tennessee at my son's homecoming from being deployed overseas. It was wonderful, but it was so weird to not be talking to you guys. I know I'm sitting in a room talking to a camera, but I know that I'm talking to you guys, and it was just so weird. But I am back, guys, and I'm so happy to be back. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you stick around and join the makeup community. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's kind of one of the reasons why I started the channel. Is makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. And I wanted to show, just because you have some challenges doesn't mean you have to give up what you know and love. And what I know and love is makeup. And I am sharing my shame today, guys. I did a Sephora haul before I left. Now, I've tried a lot of this. I did bring it with me. But yeah, I'm sitting there thinking, okay, there's not a lot coming out right now. We're kind of in between the, winter and spring releases. And, I'm not going to buy a lot. And yeah, that didn't work out so well. But I got some great things I'm really excited about. So I'm going to start off with, I got the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. They came out with a concealer. It's like 42 shades or something like that. And then I noticed they came out with the Illuminator Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. So I tried this and I actually really like it. It does illuminate. It is very thick. So anybody who gets the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, just know it's really, really thick. But it does illuminate. See how that spreads? I mean, that was just the tiniest amount and just spread out so nicely. But it does illuminate, and it really does make your under eyes look great. Probably wouldn't use this on a pimple or something like that. This is definitely just an under eye concealer, but I really like it. So yay. Another, addiction of mine besides foundations and concealers are eyeshadow palettes. Everybody knows that. My sister swears by Charlotte Tilbury. She loves Charlotte Tilbury. So I went ahead and got the eyeshadow palette in, this is, oh my gosh, how can I not, it's like her most famous lipstick. How can I not remember? Pillow Talk. I'm sorry, I couldn't remember that. So I got, this is what the outer carton looks like, and this is what the eyeshadow quad looks like. I got it in Pillow Talk. They finally got it in at Sephora. Oh my gosh, guys. These are so beautiful, and I can see why everybody loves Charlotte Tilbury. You get, only 4 eyeshadows. They're kind of pricey, but oh my gosh, they are so soft, and they practically blend themselves. Seriously, they practically blend themselves. So you get 3 colors in a pop. Here. Let me swatch this for you. You get that light color. You can create an entire eye with this. The colors really would look good on everybody. So these are your main colors here. They all have kind of a pinky tone to them. And then you get a pop, which is like a glitter top coat for your lid. So beautiful. I mean, just beautiful. They blend amazingly. Just gorgeous. Love that. I'm really glad I got that. Normally I wouldn't spend that much on 4 eyeshadows, but honestly, I'm kind of glad I did. I really like it. Another, one eyeshadow palette's not enough for one trip, so I got the Natasha Denona Mini Nude palette. I have not gotten any Natasha Denona, the big palettes, and I hear that they're better than the minis, but this is my 3rd mini, and this is the new one. This is the nudes, and this is really pretty also. Let me swatch these for you. I just cannot get over how soft and blendable these are. I mean, they're just so gorgeous. So here's the first 3. You get 5 in here. And, you know, I probably have 1,000,001 of the same colors, but the formula is what really stands out to me. Just love the formula. Love her formula. I might pick up one of the big palettes during the next Sephora sale, which should be this spring, but I don't know. We'll see, because I mean, they're like $129. I don't want to do that. So here's the nudes. Very pretty. $25. You get 5 colors or 5 shades, 2 mattes, 3 shimmers. And I use this quite a bit too. It is very pretty. You can make multiple eye looks. Of course, they are more, you know, natural nude eye looks. But I really like the coppers in there. I like the dark brown. One day I just did a natural kind of no makeup look. And I just used this peach in here just to kind of deepen my eyes a little bit. And it was great. I really like it. So since I was traveling, I did get some travel size items. I got the travel Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray from Too Faced. And I actually use this spray anyway. Oh, it smells so good. So I liked the fact that they had a little travel size of it, because that is awesome. I also decided to try the It Miracle Water travel size. I haven't tried it. I didn't bring it with me. I will let you guys know how this does as far as taking off makeup, but it's supposed to 100% showed improved skin hydration. 94% said it improved their moisturizer's effectiveness. 91% saw brighter, clearer skin. 88% say pores appear minimized. So we'll see how it does at taking off makeup. You know, we'll see how we like it. And then last travel size item is Belief the True Cream. Now, if you guys haven't tried Belief, they have the gel and the cream in this line, this particular line, and oh my gosh, it's great. It's great. Moisturizers are awesome. So this is the cream. It's a little, you know, heavier than the gel, but it still feels so lightweight. It is wonderful. Smells like a cream. It doesn't really have a scent to it, I would say. And okay guys, I know I didn't need this, but I got a new comb. My hair is naturally wavy. I don't really like the natural texture of my hair. It's just been processed so much lately that I'm just letting it air dry right now. But I need a wide tooth comb for when I get out of the shower. So yeah, this just kind of made it into the basket. I don't know why. And I love Pat McGrath lipsticks. When I tried the first lipstick, I was like, really guys, this is just too expensive, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what everybody's talking about, Pat McGrath. So Sephora had a sale on them. And so I picked up a couple of the eyeshadow palettes and some of the lipsticks. Guys, these lipsticks are so amazing. I love them. So this is my 4th. I just got a matte neutral, kind of a cocoa pink color. What color are you? Flesh 5. I really like their lipsticks. So since I don't normally wear liquid lipsticks, I like to find a nice matte, long wearing lip. And Pat McGrath does a really good job with that. And the containers are so cute. Even the boxes that they come in are just so adorable. I mean, these containers, and they're weighty. They feel very luxe. And you got your little lips right there. I did get a freebie with my order. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy this or not, but I figured I wanted to try it. So I got the Brow Endowed Brow Volumizer Primer Plus Color from Urban Decay. They came out with some new brow products, and I'm pretty stuck on the brow products that I use right now. So since my eyebrows are so blonde and so thin, I figured I'd give it a shot. So I'm going to try it if I can get it out of here. Oh my gosh, they don't want you to have it. There we go. I'm going to give it a shot and see, you know, what we think. So it's got little itty bitty applicators. Let's see what we think. Brow Endowed. All right. So I got taupe. I don't know how much I would really use that of a primer I would get, but anyway, this was a freebie with my order, and I thought that it would be a good way to try it out. Oh, wow. Okay, it does give some color. Okay. Let me do this side again. Okay, I may be giving this a shot. Which is one of the good things about, you know, getting stuff from Ulta or Sephora is you can return stuff if it doesn't work for you. I've done that before. I don't like returning things. I'd much rather, you know, not. But that is one of the good things about them. And now I'm brow obsessed. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to try this. I think I'm going to have to get this. So, thank you so much for sharing my shame. This is my little Sephora haul. You guys let me know, did you pick up anything new? Is there anything new out there that you want me to try out for you and, you know, show you, kind of see how it does? Let me know. I am always open to suggestions and requests. All right, guys, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. We're almost up to 200 members of the makeup community. Really excited about that. Gonna do a big giveaway when we hit that magic 200. So spread the word. We're brand new, so please spread the word out there. Let people know that we're here. All right, guys, that'll do it for today. I am so happy to be back. I'll talk to you guys down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.